Good morning, viewers. This is calculation class. My name is Lawa. You can call me Uncle Sam. I'm here to let us know more about quadratic equations. And one of the methods to solve quadratic equation is by using Alteration Method. This is the general form of quadratic equation. We have ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a, b, and c, they are constants. This a especially must not be 0. A must not be 0. If this a is 0, then the equation is no more quadratic. It becomes linear. Only this will be remaining. We are going to be left with bx plus c equals to 0. So, in using factorization method to solve quadratic equation, there is need to have mental activities to do, like looking for two numbers such that their product will give me a particular number and their sum will give me a particular number. In solving quadratic equations, I have said, by using factorization method, we multiply this a and c together. Multiply a and c together. Whatever you get, then you will look for two numbers such that their product will be, let's say, will be g, and their sum will be b. Can I repeat myself? When you are given quadratic equation like this, multiply the coefficient of x squared and this constant c together. Whatever you get, look for two numbers such that their sum will be b and their product will be g. So we are going to test our knowledge with this following example. Let me make a table. We have product here. We have sum. Then let's say this column is for two numbers now. If I'm looking for two numbers such that their product will be 6, and their sum will be 5, what are the two numbers that I can have for product to be 6 and the sum to be 5? What I can think of, what am I going to think of? I will think of, okay, what are the factors of 6? Factors of 6, they are 1, 2, 3, and 6. So which two out of these factors can I pick that will satisfy what I'm looking for? That is, the product will be 6 and the sum will be 5. I'm thinking of, okay, let's think of 1 and 6. Multiply 1 and 6 together. That will be 6. Add it together. 6 and 1. How can I add 6 and 1 together to make 5? No, 1 and 6 cannot do the work here. Okay. What about 2 and 3? 2 times 3, that's 6. 2 plus 3, that's 5. So 2 and 3 will satisfy this condition. The sum will be 5. The product will be 6. I hope it is clear. Let's think of another problem. If I'm looking for two numbers such that the sum will be -7 and the product will be 6, what are the numbers? Can you think of any two numbers I can have? Their product will be -7 and the sum will be 6. Let's think of, what about the product of 7? What are the factors of 7 rather? I have 1 and 7, just 1 and 7 as factors of 7. How can I multiply this? That will give me -7. Okay, if I put minus here, -1 times 7, that will be -7. If I add this together, -1 plus 7, will it be 6? Oh, yes, it will be 6. Okay, let's think of another two numbers. What about 1 and -7? 1 and -7. 1 times -7, that will be -7. If I add it together, what will happen? That will be -6. That will be -6. Okay, this one will not satisfy it. So the number that will satisfy the two numbers I'm looking for, that will be -1 and 7. -1 and 7. Add it together will give me 6. Multiply it together will give me -7. This knowledge is very, very important when you are solving quadratic equation. I think it's clear. Thank you. God bless you.